Howdy ho neighbors, it's Cody here with Secondhand Farms. Well, Snowmageddon didn't turn out quite like we thought it was going to. Well, I'm glad that it didn't. It snowed pretty decent. It was so dry, it drifted really bad. Like there's places that the grass was almost sticking out, and then there was some places that were like this. That's probably at least 3-4 foot in the ditch at least. It's pretty deep. The county's been through here about 2 or 3 times trying to just get it opened up. Every time they come by, they get scooted out a little bit farther. First time they came by, they only had like one little bitty lane. So it was kind of interesting. It is Saturday morning, so I am headed over to get the daughter at Grandma and Papa's house, and I'm gonna work on that bug hood, and if we got time, we're gonna do some sledding today before the snow melts, because it's supposed to get up to like 38. The truck already says it's 36, so it's melting, but there's just so much of it in a lot of the drifts, it's taking a while. So hopefully we'll get to play in it. We'll see. Here's my hood. Somebody's trimmed the end of it either for a Baja or they just needed that nose piece. See right there, that used to be a brace piece that went across there. You can kind of see where the holes were. and that's what I had my rope tied to last year, and we had a hard spot, and it's just like crimp rolled under the edges of the hood, and it yanked it out. So, and they've already got it split up just a little ways, so I think I'm going to try and squeeze the sides together and weld it more to a point so it's more hooked on the top. And I think I'm going to get me a T-post and weld it across the top so I've got something good and solid to tie to. So we'll see how that goes. All right, so I got my hood here, I got the welder over there, I got to plug it in. Trick is I have parents with really cool tools you can borrow whenever you want. It's definitely a perk. Anyways, when you're doing something like this, you remember safety first. Well, coffee first, safety, well, it's up there. We'll just leave it at that. So here's the conglomeration we came up with. I've got a T-post across the top there to kind of tie the sides together. And then I've got this one running down as support, and then that horseshoe that we bent, we're gonna weld right here so I've got a good eyelet to tie my rope or my chain on. Well, we had decided to take a break. Both of our butts were numb and quite wet. Apparently the trim holes push little pieces of snow through and then they melt on your butt. So I believe it was a success. It's good and solid. It didn't even pop or crack or anything. I figured as soon as we hit a hard bump it was going to jerk the whole tongue out of it, but it ended up okay. Just watch out for frozen cow turds. Appreciate you guys watching and hanging out with us. Hope you guys had fun watching. Drop down in the comments, let me know what you guys do on a snow day. Be sure to like this video and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and share it with your friends that need a good laugh. Till I see you again next time. Bye.